name is Chanel Thurville. I'm a mixed media artist. This is my artwork.
Chanel is an artist that loves to make collages and paintings.
I really like putting different pieces of things together to make something new.
It looks really cool. It looks like you could put it in a museum or something.
Yeah.
Chanel has a studio. A studio is where an artist makes art.
You'll see all of these different objects that have different textures, colors, and shapes.
We're making collages.
You might see some things that look familiar because they've been recycled.
This is some recycled wood. It's a piece of metal.
What's important to remember about collage is that you want to put lots of different pieces of things together.
I'm gonna put this here, and this at the bottom of the rainbow.
Cool. So I can put the glue and then you can flip it and stick it, yeah? Grab the edges and flip it and stick it.
I'm done. It looks like a kingdom. It basically is a kingdom. I like the picture because it looks really pretty and fancy. You colored the pom-poms black for the eyes.
That's true. That's a really creative choice you made there.
We all started with many of the same things. Once we made our art, it became different.
You guys made such great artwork today.
You can also watch full episodes and play Pinkalicious and Peter Rabbit games anytime on the PBS Kids video and games apps.